welcome to my second vlog. It's a bit random, but I did have a lot of fun documenting the week and sharing some of the special and regular moments. I saw this recipe on Instagram last week and I saved it. I'm trying to be better about actually making the recipes I save. I have all the ingredients, so I'm gonna do the first step today because I need to freeze the popsicles overnight and then I'll dip them in white chocolate tomorrow, but doesn't that look so good? That is so good. Wow.
And white pop. I really did.
I thought I'd do a little unboxing with you guys. I have maybe 4 or 5 packages. First, I have some of these vine clips. I've used these before and I just finished the whole bag. I have 2 passion vines and then like 5 star jasmine plants. They're all growing up the house and I use these little 3M clips to anchor all of the vines as they grow. These work really well, and since my house is white and these are white, they blend in really nicely and it just looks like the vines are trailing on their own. This next box is a PR package from a brand called AO2 Clear. A radically clean approach to healthier looking skin. Billions of oxygen nanobubbles. Interesting. I'll have to figure out what type of system this is. It's always fun to try some new skincare. So thanks AO2 Clear for sending. I wasn't sure what was in here, but it's more Koala Eco products. I've been loving everything from them. We just ran out of body wash. I didn't realize they also made like body products, like hygiene products. I thought they only made household cleaners, but they have hand soap, they have body wash. Smells so good. This is peppermint essential oil and rosalina essential oil. It's like minty and floral. It smells really good. I will link all of this stuff below if you want to check anything out. I'm very curious about this next package because I've been getting my nails done at the salon since February. I never used to get my fingernails done before then. But with all the DIY projects, my nails would just never last, and I would do the press-ons and they would pop off all the time. So that was annoying, so I started getting Gel X and they last so long. They hold up so well. I go maybe twice a month. It's about $50 or $60 each time I go. I saw that on Amazon you can get a Gel X kit for like $40 and that will last like all year. So I was like, I should probably try this on my own since I'm paying every month like $120 or something. So I got a kit. I think I'm actually gonna film myself trying my first manicure. It's a skill. So I'm a little nervous, but I think if I practice, I can get better at it. It's at least worth a try. 50 or 60 every 2 weeks. amazing to me that I bought these as just small little 5-gallon potted plants. They were maybe this big, and now they're climbing up my entire house. They grew so fast, and there's a lot of passion fruit on them already. Something I really like about this is that you use a fresh, clean sponge every day. Something like this, a lot of bacteria will accumulate over time. And so I just love these are super thin, and every day you'll use a new sponge. Super clean. I must say that made my skin feel really good. Feels very smooth and a little tight. Is that a good way to describe it? Feels great. Sorry for the loud noise. My air fryer is going right now, but I wanted to show you. I've been germinating some lemon seeds. These little guys germinated. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put these in a little bit of soil, and I'll just keep them in my windowsill where there's lots of sun. See if I can get a couple little lemon trees. Put these in my windowsill on June 26th. Just about 2 weeks later, I have seeds germinating. Pretty cool. I have a couple more things to unbox today, so I figured we could do it together. Most of this stuff was on crazy sale for Amazon Prime Day, and I just wanted to try a few things, like these protein bars, for example. I've heard many good things. This is what the package looks like. I will say that they've exceeded my expectations. It does taste like cookie dough, and they have these little crispies inside. Chocolate chips. It's a great flavor. I will be ordering more of those. 28 grams of protein, 150 calories per bar. Scrunchies. The idea here is that when my hair is curled, I can throw it up in like a top knot and just twist this twice, and it'll keep my hair styled and nice. These like satin ones, they don't make your hair frizzy or anything. Cute. An influencer I follow recommended these socks. She said they make like the perfect sneaker socks, so I grabbed some of these. This little set of bracelets was on sale for $9. Comes with 6 bracelets. I own 0 bracelets, so these are cute. Cute. This is what I'm most excited for. This is so much smaller than I imagined. I got a Kindle. I've never had a Kindle before. It went on sale for Prime Day, so I decided to go for it. We have a couple trips coming up, so I thought for the airplane it would be nice. Wow, this is so great. It's so small. I definitely did not realize how small and easy to carry around this would be. Like, this would fit in any of my bags. It's practically the same size as my iPhone. It's shorter than my phone. It's wider, but wow, how exciting. This is very random. I ordered some gum. I've been reading about xylitol and how, I'm not a scientist, but I've been reading that the bad bacteria in your mouth eat sugar, and that's how they survive and thrive. And the bacteria in your mouth will also eat xylitol because they think it's like sugar. But then because there's no calories in xylitol, the bacteria die because they don't have like sustenance. And so it actually lowers the bacteria count in your mouth, which can help prevent cavities. Also, I don't know if this is true, but this says most gum brands use plastic in their formula, and this does not. We have a tile crew here right now, so if you see some guys coming in and out, that's why. Okay, this was a total impulse buy, but I thought it looked kind of cool. Apparently, this flame goes out when it touches the clip. Interesting history. This used to be called a courting candle. Apparently, a way of parents timing how long a young gentleman suitor spent with their daughter. The candle burn time would be set by placing a cut into the candle. The long rope went to the choice suitor, all others got the short rope. Love it. Our tile crew just left for a lunch break, so I wanted to show you guys an update. We decided to hire all of the tile work out just to save our sanity. We've done a big tile project before, and it's pretty difficult getting everything perfectly waterproofed, perfectly level, perfectly plumb, the niche cuts all done just right, all the miter cuts. So yeah, we decided to hire it out, and I'm so glad we did. But let me show you. So it's a mess in here right now, but the shower is looking so cool, and they are doing dry fits right now on the floor, and I believe this will get installed later today. They just finished dry fitting. Looks so good. We are building a deck today, right here. Here's the front of the house right now. It's pretty ugly. We don't have much of a porch, so it'll be nice to have some little area here to hang out. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you could subscribe or drop a like below, it would mean so much. Bye.
A pen. I found a pen. I found a pencil.
Okay, same.
I want to play.
Okay.